so. It's Saturday and the weather is pretty lousy out here. And today we were going to have a fun day with the kids, and they were going to go to the allotment and they were going to find pumpkins so they could carve for this afternoon. So waking up this morning, my daughter came up with a plan, and she said, plan B, if the pumpkins are not very good on the allotment, no trust in my pumpkins, can we go to Asda and buy some pumpkins? So I thought, of course, easy option. So this morning when we've woken up, we've looked at the weather, and the weather is awful. So I said, oh yeah, we'll just do plan B and we'll just go and buy the pumpkins. Oh my. So we've been to Asda, we've been to Tesco's, and we've been to Aldi's. Nowhere's got pumpkins. Even Facebook messages saying, my son needs a pumpkin, anywhere to get a pumpkin. Nowhere's got pumpkins. Asda has got their Christmas stuff out. Oh my. So anyway, so I said, right, let's just go to the allotment and we'll get our pumpkins. But I haven't checked them for nearly 2 weeks. Don't know if they're still there, whether they've been eaten, or whether they've turned ripe or not. So let's go and have a look and see. Hi, I'm Ray, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some DIY projects and some flowers. Today, 31st of October, and it's Halloween, and we had a fun day of activities at the allotment today. And one of the activities was coming to get our pumpkins. So that got scrubbed when the kids said, Dad, can you just go and get your pumpkins yourself? So there we go, let's go and have a look. And I'm a bit nervous whether they're going to be alright now. I think they're looking alright. I think they do. Let's get them off and have a look. A bit worried what they look like underneath. But it's absolutely perfect. Perfect. Look at that. And we've even got a couple of small ones as well. So I'm really pleased with them. And another small one here. So that's looking really good. Well, that was a bit of fun, all soaked. Quite pleased? Very pleased. So this was the final result of the pumpkins on my allotment. The other pumpkin plant didn't really come to much at all. So 5 pumpkins, and I also added the butternut squashes so the kids can carve or do something with the butternut squashes. So here we go, giving over to the kids and see what they can make.